Hey everyone, feels great to be back in the Lake District, and for today's adventure we're going to be camping up by a little lake called Angle Tarn. And just to be clear, because I guess there are multiple Angle Tarns, it's the one that is near Glenridding and Olswater. So Angle Tarn is located up over that mountain right over there. So it's quite a steep climb. The first half of the hike is pretty steep. I want to say it's about 25 degrees. Feels like 90 degrees though. It's pretty steep. And after that it gets a little flatter and a lot easier. But yeah, this first part is pretty grueling. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Angle Tarn. We have arrived. Looks like someone may be wild camping over there too. Huh. Cool. Oh yeah. Once I got up here, I explored the area looking for a spot with a nice view, and one that was a bit more sheltered from the wind, as the forecast was calling for strong winds later that night. Let's see if I mastered this part right here. Much better than last time. Whew, it is getting chilly. As soon as I finish pitching the tent, I'm going to put my Puffy on. Alright, so now I'm just going to tidy her up a little bit. So I've got a new air pad that I'm trying out. It's the Sea to Summit Ether Insulated LT or something rather. It's like the longest name of any camping gear that I have. Anyway, but it's supposed to get pretty cold tonight, almost down to freezing. Well, it's not all that cold, but this air pad is only got an R value of 3.2, and the reason I got it is that it's a 4-inch pad, and a lot of people have been saying that it's more comfortable than the Neo Air X Lite, which I don't know, honestly it was a good pad, it kept me warm, and even though it was a wide pad, I just kept on waking up at night because I toss and turn and my feet would always just end up on the floor. So anyway. Not sure if the camera's picking it up, but the sky is turning kind of like a nice little pink color. Yeah, it's pretty. Also, another bit of kit that's new is this Evernew titanium pot that I found. And so this is a 750 milliliter. So the pot with the cup that it comes in weigh 5 ounces. The pot alone with the lid is 3.2 ounces. And the cup is 1.8 ounces. So it's super light. What's also pretty neat about it is that I'm able to fit my remote canister stove and gas canister inside. Now, so this thing is pretty interesting. This is a remote canister stove and it just packs down really tiny. I mean, have a look at this thing. This is a GSI Pinnacle 4-season stove, I think it's called. Yeah. Anyway, it is really tiny. It weighs in at a little under 6 ounces. The only thing is just to get this thing unfolded, it definitely takes some practice. Sounds like I'm on a farm. Alright, so for tonight, I've got this stuff right here. It's a Moroccan style bean stew. Sounds really good, but it's my first time having a wet food, so you don't have to add any water into this. So there's 2 ways to make it. You can actually open the pouch, put it in there, but this is titanium, and no matter how low I put the flame, I know I'm going to burn the bottom, so I'm going to forget that. And so I'm just gonna leave it in the pouch and heat it up that way. Yeah. Let's see here. Ooh, it's getting a lot. It's getting nice and hot there. Oh yeah. Okay, so it says to leave it in there for about 10 minutes or so. Cheers, everyone. Not bad. It's a little fizzier than I would have expected for a bitter. Let's just say that it's not a cask condition ale. But she's good though. She does taste good. All right, let's try the chow. Oh yeah, because I am starving. Starvin' Marvin. All right, I don't need a knife for this one. Oh, come on, just give me that last little bit right there. Oh, there we go. All right. Oh. Well, hopefully that's going to be enough for me, because that hike up here was something else. That is pretty good. Oh yeah. I probably should have bought 2 of these. There's not that much food in here. Huh. I gotta say, I got something for camping on tarns. Just something about it. How about you guys? You guys like camping on lakes like this? Let me know what your favorite is. Camping by the ocean, in the mountains, by a lake in the mountains, in the forest. After I finish my ale, I think I'm gonna brew up some tea. So I've been really liking these silicone handles here. I mean, it doesn't matter how hot the pot gets, you won't burn your fingers. I've got some cozy chamomile in here. Oh, that is nice. Oh, my hands are just getting cold. I should put on my gloves, but I'm just too lazy to get them. Not sure if you can hear that, but that must be an airplane taken off out of Manchester. It's like the closest international airport, I think. If I'm wrong, let me know down below. Alrighty folks, I'm ready to hit the hay. My jet lag is totally kicking my butt right now. Well, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. I woke up to quite a bit of condensation inside the tent, so I'm just drying it out. Right now I'm letting the sun beat down on it. and then I'll pack it up. As a matter of fact, it's almost all dry. As far as the air pad goes, it dipped down to 36 degrees last night, and I could just feel the cold coming through my back. Now, granted, I'm a cold sleeper, so take that into consideration. But I think if I see the temperature dipping down below 40, 45, I think I'm just gonna take my NeoAir Exterm, which is, the warmer pad with a much higher R value. As a matter of fact, I think it has double the R value than this one does. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's where I camped last night. I've left no trace, and I'm ready to head down the hill. If you enjoyed the video, please give me the old thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next adventure, my friends. Cheers.